Okay. So today we will do one new lesson, that is minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to minus 10 plus 6. So today we will do this lesson. So questions are already there in copy. You have written the questions in copy. Today the lesson that we are doing is minus 4. So what is the value of minus 4? It is minus 10 plus 6. And you remember previously we have done plus 4. So plus 4 is equal to plus 10 and minus 6. So minus 4 is just the opposite. So I will show you one question how to solve. The first number is 8. How to represent 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. Next number is 5. So how to do 5? To do 5 we have to do plus 5 is equal to plus 10 minus 5. So plus 10 plus 10 and minus 5. Okay. Now minus 4. This is a new thing. So there is 3 bits only. 4 bits are not available. So we cannot subtract 4 directly. So what we have to do? We have to do minus 10 and plus 6. Minus 10 plus 6. What is the answer?
9.
9. Yes.